AMSOIL designs specialized lubricants engineered for what you drive and how you drive. At our headquarters in Superior, Wisconsin, our on-site chemists start at the molecular level, carefully crafting each formulation to deliver targeted, application-specific benefits. We punish our products in the field and in our state-of-the-art mechanical lab, where we can push equipment far beyond what it will endure on the street, so you can be confident your vehicle is protected. The result is a full line of industry-leading products formulated, blended, and packaged in the USA that outperform the standard to deliver the protection you demand and the performance you deserve. That's what you can expect from the company that introduced the world's first synthetic motor oil to meet API service requirements. Join the legions of loyal AMSOIL customers to find out for yourself.